Hey guys, very good morning. Welcome to today's inventory analysis for Bank Nifty. Today is the 10th of August 2024. The current time is 9:46 a.m. IST. And overall, what is it that I'm seeing is the value is developing higher, right? So continuously since last 3 days, the value is developing higher, but we are developing, the price is developing in a balance wherein I'm looking from for supply above 51,000, and we have also got a gap which is not yet fit, right? So if I share from the context wise, right, what is happening overall is we broke. So for me, the level of 52,200 is an important reference level in Bank Nifty because above that particular area is where I am seeing a lot of trapped buyers, right? Uh, Again, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we did look below this particular balance. It failed. It failed on the Monday, 29th of July. And then again, the sellers started to compete. And these sellers are nothing but the trap buyers who came in. And they are the ones who have been thrown out of the auction. So we have an upper balance above. We also have another balance lower. So let me just clear the chart so that way we can clearly see how the inventory is getting shifted from the upper balance to the lower balance, right? So we have got one more balance here wherein I am looking for more sellers, and this was the zone where responsive buying was seen. And Monday, the 5th of August is where the price rejected. So we have a sort of an excess around this particular zone followed by a gap, right? So a lot of data points can be clearly seen wherein I am looking for sellers. So for me, what I'm looking for is this is the zone where supply is present, and yesterday, which was Friday, is where we, even though it's a balanced profile, but the seller stepped in around the 50,800 level, right? So what am I looking for now next week? So next week, clearly I am seeing inventory or supply overhead. We have got sellers above 50,800. So in the pre-open, if we open with a gap up, then I am looking for this particular gap to be filled and expect some chop. And this is the zone where, so above 51,500 is where I am looking for the sellers. And the reason is this is the cost basis where a lot of transactions were happen, and this is where I'm looking for sellers to step in and take the price lower, right? So that is the first auction path. The second auction path is we just opened around the Friday's high, and do we see a short covering and fill off this gap, and then again price moving lower because we have found the bid, right? So I'm seeing responsive buying here around the 49,800 level, followed by again responsive buying at 49,945. So slowly the buyers, the bid is moving higher. And if we open around the previous day's high or around the Friday's high or above it, obviously the sellers are going to cover their position. We will be seeing a short covering, and gap is where I'm looking for supply to step in by the trapped buyers above the 51,200 level, right? So once the gap is filled, that is an important information, market generated information, which you have to look for, because after the gap is filled, I am looking for the price to correct, the inventory to liquidate around around 49,000 or 50,000 level, again a round number, and then see do we have follow through lower, right? uh, the same analysis, I'll also share using the volume profile. So this is where I'm clearly seeing positions getting created. So this is where the inventory got acquired or accumulated, and this is the zone where I'm looking for inventory to get distributed, right? So inventory is gap, maybe we open gap up, we fill the gap, and this is the zone where we chop and then we again try to move lower and see. I will be looking for a follow through or a continuation, right? So this is my action plan coming Monday, when the auction will open. And also next week we have a holiday in the India market, so 15th August is a holiday. And apart from that, let me check if we have any economic news coming up that works as a catalyst. Yeah, so Thursday is a holiday. There's no major news event happening except the US events focused on the Fed, right? So, overall, this is the auction path which I'm looking for. And based on the price action and the price, there will be some more auction paths. But looking at the current structure and where the inventory is getting created, I am seeing inventory getting accumulated around the 50,000 level and looking for it to distribute at around 51,500 level. Okay, so this is all, and do let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to talk to me, you can check the description below and, yeah, get in touch with me. Yeah, that. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.